Hi there, summer enthusiasts! Ready to heat up your season with the coolest gadgets you can actually own? Join us as we dive into the sizzling world of summer tech that's sure to make your warm weather adventures unforgettable. And now, let's get started. Stay cool and comfortable wherever you go with the AMACOOL portable air conditioner neck fan. This wearable fan provides instant cooling, making it the perfect summer companion. With two ceramic semiconductor radiators, it cools both sides of your neck, offering quick relief from the heat. Enjoy up to 15 hours of refreshing breeze on a single charge, thanks to the 5,000 mAh battery. The bladeless and adjustable design ensures safety and comfort. Keep an eye on the battery status with the LED screen. Easy to control and quick to charge, this fan is your go-to for outdoor adventures and indoor relaxation. Elevate your outdoor experience with the MALLOME camping hammock. Crafted from superior 210 thread count parachute nylon, this hammock is tear-resistant, waterproof, and incredibly durable. Set up your adventure with ease using the included MALLOME hammock straps, featuring 10 feet of length per strap and high tensile strength carabiners. Safety is paramount with a 500-pound hanging strength, ensuring peace of mind. Choose from compact or larger sizes, accommodating solo or group lounging. With an ultralight design, this hammock is perfect for backpacking. Treat yourself and loved ones to the ultimate relaxation in nature. Take outdoor cooking to the next level with the OUTERMUST outdoor propane deep fryer. Ideal for frying fish, chicken wings, and more, this 18-quart fryer comes complete with an aluminum fryer pot, 2 inner baskets, a 5-inch thermometer, and a sturdy stand. The durable cast iron stove head boasts a powerful 58,000 BTU output. Safety is a priority with a 5 psi pressure-reducing valve, providing peace of mind for you and your family. Enjoy user-friendly design with 2 inner baskets for easy draining. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or a casual chef, this deep fryer enhances your outdoor culinary adventures. Elevate your outdoor fun with the TOSY flying disc. Boasting super bright LEDs, smart sensors, and Bluetooth connectivity. It's not your average disc. Analyze your throws, enjoy dazzling light effects, and customize your experience with timer modes and brightness levels. Its durability stands up to intense play, making it perfect for casual or professional use. Get ready to redefine fun and skills with this innovative flying disc. Elevate your outdoor adventures with a LEADALLWAY camping table. This portable dining table boasts an innovative design featuring 4 mesh cup holders and a lower storage area for added convenience. Its heavy-duty construction with 600D canvas and a sturdy metal frame can support up to 28 pounds. Easy to clean and quick to assemble, this table is your ideal companion for picnics, BBQs, camping, and more. Enjoy the outdoors with this versatile and foldable table that comes with a convenient carry bag. Experience the ultimate outdoor utility with the VIVOSUN collapsible folding wagon. This wagon is both spacious and durable, featuring large wheels for easy maneuverability. With side pockets, cup holders, and an adjustable handle, it offers unmatched convenience. Its silent universal wheels smoothly glide over various terrains. Easily fold and store this wagon with one hand, saving time and space. Made of waterproof tear-resistant materials, it's perfect for camping, sports, gardening, and more. Upgrade your outdoor experience with this versatile and compact wagon. Combat mosquitoes with ease using the NITECORE EMR05 mosquito repeller. This compact electronic device offers a 16-foot protection zone with its innovative FCB heating system. Weighing only 39 grams, it's portable and efficient. The smart circuits ensure continuous operation, keeping the power bank active while in use. Plus, the FCB heating system reduces temperatures around the heating area for added safety. Whether at home during sleep, camping, or hiking adventures, this USB-C chargeable and IPX5 waterproof repeller is your summer essential. Stay refreshed and clean with the LUNATEC hydration spray water bottle. This pressurized personal Mr. Camp shower and water bottle in one is a game changer, offering mist, stream, and shower patterns. It's a versatile solution for various activities. From camping to sports and even portable bidet use, it covers it all. With variable flow control, easy disassembly, and BPA-free materials, it's your go-to hydration companion. Pump to pressurize, select your mode, and enjoy staying cool, clean, and hydrated wherever you go. Embrace versatility and power with the Champion dual-fuel inverter generator. Whether using gasoline or propane, it delivers 2,000 watts of starting energy for your needs. Enjoy quiet operation with an ultra-low noise level. This portable generator features clean power for sensitive electronics and offers parallel capability. Take it anywhere and rest easy with a 3-year limited warranty and lifetime technical support. Elevate your outdoor experiences with the TOURIT Backpack Cooler. This dual-compartment cooler backpack offers ample space for both food and drinks. Its thick insulation and leak-proof design keep your items cold for hours. The comfortable, lightweight design features padded shoulders and breathable mesh panels. With multiple pockets, including 2 large front zipper pockets and large mesh side pockets, this backpack cooler is perfect for picnics, camping, or everyday use. Elevate your underwater missions with the QYSEA FIFISH V6 Expert drone. This professional ROV platform is equipped with a 4K UHD camera, 166 degrees field of view, and 240 FPS slow-motion filming for cinematic underwater clarity. The intelligent VR head tracking provides an immersive experience, while 6,000 lumen LED lights ensure visibility in dark spaces. With its powerful battery, quick charging, and compact design, this drone is your reliable companion for various applications, including emergency search and rescue. Find refuge from the elements with the VEVOR camping gazebo screen tent, made from waterproof, bite-proof, and UV-proof materials. It provides a generous 10 feet by 10 feet outdoor living space in the wilderness. With 6 wind cloths, pop-up assembly, and a full set of accessories, this tent ensures you stay comfortable no matter the weather. It's your ideal companion for camping, picnics, and outdoor gatherings. Enjoy the wild while being sheltered. Experience clean, safe hydration with the LIFESTRAW personal water filter, protecting against 99.99% of bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. This filter is a hiking and camping essential. Its enhanced microfilter performance ensures a steady flow rate even in challenging conditions. Ultralight and durable, it's your trusty companion for adventures or emergencies. With an unlimited shelf life, it's always ready to quench your thirst. Ditch the heavy air tanks and embrace ultimate mobility with the SEEAIR dive system. Offering up to 5 hours of battery life, it's perfect for adventurous divers. This eco-friendly system provides clean, breathable air, and its built-in LED light ensures visibility during night dives. Explore the underwater world with freedom and ease, whether you're a recreational or professional diver. SEEAIR brings you an unforgettable, sustainable diving experience. Explore the depths like never before with the CUDAJET underwater jetpack, the epitome of luxury water sports. Soar weightlessly through the water at 3 meters per second with 40 kilograms of thrust. Its compact size, lightweight design, and 40 meters depth capability make it a versatile companion for aquatic adventures. With 40 minutes of runtime and a quick 75-minute charge, you'll enjoy ample underwater exploration. The open-loop cooling system ensures peak performance for an unparalleled underwater experience. Before you embark on your summer journey, tell us which gadget will be your warm weather essential. Share your thoughts below, and stay tuned for more sizzling tech innovations to elevate your summer adventures.